Good morning children. Welcome to online class session children. So today we are going to learn about new lesson, clever little girl. So the girl is very clever. So once there lived a woodcutter. So once there lived a woodcutter. So he was very poor. He was very poor. So he had a large family to support. He had a large family to support. And he had 3 girls. How many girls? 3 girls he had. So they were very ill. So the 3 girls means his daughters were very ill and weak. They are very ill and weak. So he is unable to earn money for his family. So the woodcutter was a poor man. So he was unable to earn money for his family because his family is very large. So he is unable to keep food, earn money and keep food for their children. So they were very weak and ill. So one day, what he did, he went into the forest. So one day he had taken his 3 girls, means his 3 daughters, taken into the forest. So he left them in the wood. See children, wood means small forest, a small forest. So what he had done, because he is not earning money, so he can't keep sufficient food for the children. So the woodcutter, what he had done, the poor man, he left his 3 daughters. So left his 3 daughters in the wood. He left his 3 daughters in the wood. Wood means forest. So he came back to his house. So the poor man left his 3 daughters in the forest and he came back to his house. So what happened? The 3 girls, they have lost their way. So the 3 girls, they have lost their way. Means they are unable to identify their house. So they roam around the forest. Means they walk around the forest. So throughout the forest they walk. So in the middle of the forest, they found a house. In the middle of the forest, they found a house. So the 3 daughters went into the forest. In the middle of the house, they found a house. So they knocked the door. Means they knocked the door. So a lady has come out and she opened the door. A lady has come out and she opened the door. So the 3 girls, the youngest girl was Mary Goofy. So who is the youngest girl? Mary Goofy. So she was the youngest girl. So she was very clever. She was very clever. So she pleased for that lady. So please open the door and let me come in. So please open the door, let me come inside, because from morning we didn't take any food. Till now, from the morning till the afternoon till the evening, we didn't take any food to eat. So please give us permission to let it come inside to your house. Oh, the lady told no. So there was a giant in our house. There was a giant in our house. So you please go away. You please go away. So the clever girl, Mary Goofy, who was the clever girl? Mary Goofy. She requested the lady to come in and please give us a food. So the lady, she felt very sad and she called the 3 girls into the house. She called the 3 girls into the house and she kept the food. She kept the food for the children. Means for the 3 girls, she kept the food. In the meanwhile, what happened? The giant came. In the meanwhile, the giant came and he questioned for the lady. He questioned for the lady. So who were there? Who were there? Then she told that they had lost their way. They had lost their way. Means they don't know how to go to their house. So they lost their way. So for this one night they will stay here. So you have your dinner. So I kept your supper. Means dinner. So go and eat that dinner and sleep. So she told, the lady told. So told for the giant that you go and eat the supper and you have your sleep. You have your sleep. So the lady is, the giant has also 3 daughters. And the woodcutter has also 3 daughters. He was poor man. So what she had done, the lady, along with her children, she made to sleep the other 3 girls also. Along with the children, means the giant's children, along with the giant children, she made the other 3 girls also sleep together. Means all the 6 girls slept together. All the 3 girls and the remaining 3 girls, they slept together. They slept together. So the lady, she asked the giant to eat his supper and sleep. So at night the lady made the sleep along with her own daughters. Means the 3 girls, means the woodcutter's daughters. The woodcutter's daughter, 3 girls were there, no? Along with them, with own daughters, he made them sleep in a room. So the giant wanted to eat the 3 girls. The giant wanted to eat the 3 girls. The giant wanted to eat the 3 girls. So at night what he had done? So he kept a chain around his own daughters. He kept a chain. Means giant's daughter, they kept a golden chain. Golden chain. And whereas for the 3 girls, they kept a straw chains. For his own children, he kept a golden chains. And for the other 3 girls, the poor woodcutter children were there, no? For them, he kept straw chains. Straw chains means some wooden chains will be there, no? From the trees we get that chain he had kept. Why he had kept like that? Because to identify them. Because to identify. So at night, when all were asleep, he want to carry away the children. So when all were slept, he want to carry about the children at the night time when everybody was asleep. So Mary had seen what the giant had done. Mary had seen what the giant had done. Means he kept golden chains for his daughters and straw chains for them. So Mary, what she has done? She had observed what the giant is doing. So what she had done? She exchanged the chains. Mary, what she has done? She exchanged the chains. Because she knows he was a giant, so he used to kill. What she had done? She identified what he has done and she exchanged. So for the giant's daughter, she kept straw chains. So for them, she kept golden chains. So what the giant had done? She has exchanged. She has exchanged. So around the midnight. So around the midnight, when all were slept, when the giant had done the work, immediately when the giant went out, the Mary, she was very clever girl. She was very clever girl. What she had done? She exchanged the chains. She exchanged the chains. So at midnight, when all were slept, what happened? The giant came into that room. The giant came into that room and he had taken the girls of his own. He had taken the girls of his own because for his daughter, she has various exchanged, so he could not identify. So for whom the gold chain is there, she had taken away and kept in a cellar. He kept them in a cellar. Why did he kept in a cellar? Because they were very weak, so for them his intention was to fatten them. Means keep much more food and make them fatten and eat them up. So the giant's intention, what is giant's intention? To make fatten for the girls. To make fatten for the girls and eat them up. Eat them up. So what happened? So early in the morning, the Mary noticed that the giant has exchanged the chains. So he had taken his own children to the cellar and kept. So Mary wake up his sisters. Mary wake up his sisters. And started running. And they started running. She woke up her sisters and they went out from that house. They went out from the giant house. They went out from the giant house. And they started running throughout the forest. They started running throughout the forest. So they met a castle. There they had seen a castle. So castle means it is also a type of a big building. It is also a type of a big building. In that a nobleman was living. In that a nobleman was living. So from the giant house, they ran away. The 3 girls ran away from the giant house and found a castle, a big fortified building. So there, in that building, a nobleman was living. Means he was very honest. He was very honest. A nobleman was living. Okay, children? Thank you, children.